Hi, this is Lanxiang. Today I will make some barbecue Buffalo chicken wings. Okay, I cut some green onion, ginger. Put ginger and green onion in the 1 spoon oyster sauce, 2 spoons light soy sauce, 1 spoon dark soy sauce, some Chinese cooking wine. Now I put a buffalo sauce. Okay, good enough. Mix together. Okay, now we put the sauce in bag. Then I put chicken wings. Mix together. And also, I got a few shrimp. Want to put with chicken wings together. I'll make some whole. Just make sure sauce can go inside. Yeah. I don't know if any good. This is my first time try. Okay, now put in shrimp with chicken wings together. Okay, now we place in refrigerator for a few hours. Okay, guys, already placed in refrigerator 5 hours ready. So I gotta start cooking now. Okay, 300. I can start now. I can't wait. Shrimp. Something close. Okay, turn over. Wow, shrimp looks good. I can't wait. Shrimp ready. I gotta eat it now. Can't wait. Tastes good. Good. First time I try shrimp. Okay, I think it's done now. And try chicken wings first. Very good.
Cheers. Last one. I don't know how many I ate. I didn't count. So full. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye bye.